Well, we're back in here on the 69. What we're gonna do is try to do a new gas line because the one that it has is clogged and we cannot get it out. So this one is clogged. So we're gonna send another one through the brake line going this way. And then for now we're gonna do that because we cannot unclog the line. So that's why we're gonna be working today and put the deck lid and try to get it moved today. We're already sending the line through there. Already came out. So we gotta guide it through the next to the seat so we can get it out of the front. All right, we got the line back in here. So we gotta make a cut somewhere on here so it will reach out the other one back up somewhere here, the other one. So that's done. And it's already there. So we're set up to ready. Get the tank. We got Annie doing some work. She's getting the sender unit down.
Sender unit, yeah.
You got the gas tank ready to go. Put all the clamp, but this one I don't like the way it looks, so we have to replace it. And the only thing left will be to go under. And put a clamp, and that should be it. Everything's connected. All right, we'll see. Okay, we're ready here to put the hose. You can see the new fitting in there. This fitting. And the little gas line is right here. So we're gonna put a piece of hose. Here's the hose. And we're gonna put it there through here. Let's see how it goes. All right, everything should work. So far we're still sending power with this, the coil, just to keep it on, you know. Gas line through there. All right, we just put the deck lid. So right now we're gonna try to see if we take it out. Got a fire extinguisher in there just in case, you never know. Got a little bit of gas. Gotta fix this up. Gas tank is there. All right, we'll see.
First time in 30 years. What do you think?
We got it.
You got it. Beautiful.
Yeah. Que salga Mito ahí, este es el profesional.
No. 68. Coming soon.
Yeah.
Coming soon. Working.
Coming soon
Coming soon.
to a show near you.
Working on the window elevators. And the, how you call this thing? To shift it?
Yeah, the tube,
The
the
tube.
tubing, the shifting tubing was replaced.
Yeah. Put the, interior. They have to put interior everything.
Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting
It's
there.
coming good. Look, I clean them. So that